Hello, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name's Michael. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy teaching. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love being creative every day.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I always drink coffee. I can't start my day without it. Do you?
I prefer tea, actually. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is green tea. What's yours?
I love orange juice. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast with eggs. What do you eat?
I have oatmeal with fruit. Do you cook at home often?
Yes, I cook dinner almost every night. Do you?
I try to cook 3 or 4 times a week. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi. What's your favorite food?
I love Italian food, especially pasta. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes. Do you like spicy food?
Not really. I prefer mild flavors. What's your favorite restaurant?
There is a great Thai restaurant near my house. What's yours?
I love a small Mexican restaurant downtown. What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy painting and drawing. What about you?
I like playing guitar and singing. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I'd like to learn the piano someday. Can you play other instruments?
I can also play the drums a little. What kind of music do you like?
I love classical and jazz music. What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to rock and pop music mostly. Do you go to concerts?
Sometimes when my favorite artists come to town. Do you?
Yes, I went to 3 concerts last year. Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend. Do you like movies?
I love movies. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Spirited Away. What's yours?
I really liked The Shawshank Redemption. What kind of movies do you prefer?
I enjoy animated films and documentaries. What about you?
I prefer action and science fiction movies. Do you read books?
Yes, I read before bed every night. Do you read?
Yes, I love reading mystery novels. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice. What's yours?
I really enjoyed 1984 by George Orwell. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Do you have siblings?
I have 1 younger brother. Are you close with your family?
Yes, we talk on the phone every week. Are you close with yours?
Very close. We have dinner together every Sunday. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone in an apartment. Do you live with your family?
I live with a roommate. Where do you live exactly?
I live in downtown Tokyo. Where do you live?
I live in Sydney, near the beach. Do you like where you live?
Yes, it's very convenient for work. Do you like your neighborhood?
I love it. The ocean is beautiful. Are you married?
No, I'm single. Are you married?
No, but I have a girlfriend. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Do you have pets?
I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever. How old is your cat?
She's 3 years old. How old is your dog?
He's 5 years old. Do you want children someday?
Maybe in the future. I'm focused on my career now. What about you?
Yes, I'd like to have 2 or 3 children. How long have you been a graphic designer?
I've been working as a designer for 4 years. How long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for 6 years now. What did you study in university?
I studied art and design. What did you study?
I studied education and English literature. Do you work in an office?
Yes, I work in a creative agency. Do you work at a school?
Yes, I teach at a high school. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m. What time do you start?
I start at 8 a.m. What time do you finish work?
I usually finish around 6 p.m. What about you?
I finish at 4 p.m. most days. Do you work weekends?
Sometimes when we have big projects. Do you work weekends?
No, I have weekends off. Do you like working with your team?
Yes, my colleagues are very talented and friendly. Do you like your students?
Yes, they're energetic and curious. What's the best part of your job?
Seeing my designs come to life. What's the best part of teaching?
Helping students learn and grow. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places. Do you like traveling?
I love it. Where have you traveled to?
I've been to Korea, Thailand, France, and Italy. Where have you been?
I've visited New Zealand, Bali, and the United States. What's your favorite country?
I loved Italy the most. The food and culture were amazing. What's your favorite place?
New Zealand was incredible. The nature is breathtaking. How do you prefer to travel?
I like traveling by train. It's relaxing and scenic. How about you?
I prefer flying for long distances. Where would you like to go next?
I'd love to visit Spain and Portugal. Where do you want to go?
I want to explore South America, especially Peru. Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but it sounds interesting. Have you?
Yes, I went on a Caribbean cruise 2 years ago. Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I prefer mountains and hiking. What do you prefer?
I love the beach and water sports. Can you speak other languages?
I can speak Japanese and English. I'm learning Spanish now. Can you?
I speak English and I'm learning French. How long have you been learning Spanish?
For about 1 year. How long have you studied French?
For 2 years, but I still need more practice. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 4 times a week. Do you exercise?
Yes, I run every morning. What do you do at the gym?
I do weight training and yoga classes. What distance do you run?
I usually run 5 kilometers. Do you play any sports?
I play tennis on weekends. Do you play sports?
I play basketball with friends sometimes. How do you stay healthy?
I eat lots of vegetables and fruits, and I avoid junk food. What about you?
I try to sleep 8 hours and drink plenty of water. Do you take vitamins?
Yes, I take vitamin D and omega-3. Do you?
I take a multivitamin every day. Have you ever had any injuries?
I sprained my ankle playing tennis last year. Have you?
I broke my arm when I was a child. Do you meditate?
Yes, I meditate for 10 minutes every morning. Do you?
I've tried it a few times. It helps me relax. Do you use social media often?
Yes, I use Instagram and Twitter daily. What about you?
I mainly use Facebook and LinkedIn. What do you post on Instagram?
I post my artwork and travel photos. What do you post?
I share family photos and interesting articles. Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch cooking tutorials and music videos. Do you?
I watch educational videos and documentaries. What kind of phone do you have?
I have an iPhone. What phone do you have?
I have a Samsung phone. Do you use many apps?
Yes, I use apps for fitness, learning, and productivity. What apps do you use?
I use news apps, music streaming, and language learning apps. Do you shop online?
Yes, I buy clothes and books online frequently. Do you?
Yes, it's very convenient. Do you worry about privacy online?
Sometimes, so I'm careful about what I share. Do you?
Yes, I try to use strong passwords and secure connections. What are your goals for this year?
I want to improve my Spanish and learn web design. What are your goals?
I want to write a book and run a marathon.
That's ambitious. Why do you want to write a book?
I have many teaching stories I'd like to share. Why do you want to learn web design?
It will help me create better portfolios for my art. Have you started training for the marathon?
Yes, I'm following a 12-week training program. Have you started learning web design?
I'm taking an online course right now. What are your long-term goals?
I'd like to open my own design studio someday. What about you?
I want to become a school principal and help shape education. That's wonderful. How will you achieve that?
I need to get more experience and complete leadership training. How will you open your studio?
I'm saving money and building my client network. What's your 5-year plan? In 5 years, I hope to be running my own business and traveling more. What's yours?
I hope to have published my book and started a family. What's the biggest challenge you've faced recently?
Learning to balance work and personal life. What about you?
Staying motivated during difficult times. How do you handle stress?
I exercise, talk to friends, and take breaks when needed. How do you cope?
I listen to music and spend time in nature. What's the most difficult decision you've made?
Leaving my hometown to pursue my career in the city. What's yours?
Changing my career path from business to teaching. Do you have any regrets?
I wish I had studied abroad when I was younger. Do you have regrets?
I regret not learning a second language earlier. What advice would you give your younger self?
Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. What would you tell yourself?
Believe in yourself more and don't worry about others' opinions. How do you overcome obstacles?
I break problems into smaller steps and stay positive. What's your approach?
I ask for help when needed and learn from failures. What's your biggest fear?
Failing at my goals and disappointing people I care about. What's yours?
Not making a meaningful impact in my life. What's most important to you in life?
Happiness, health, and meaningful relationships. What about you?
Personal growth, helping others, and living authentically. How do you define success?
Success is doing what you love and being content with who you are. How do you define it?
Success is making a positive difference and achieving your potential. What qualities do you admire in people?
Honesty, kindness, and determination. What qualities do you value?
Integrity, compassion, and open-mindedness. Who inspires you?
My parents inspire me with their hard work and sacrifice. Who inspires you?
Teachers who dedicate their lives to education. What's the best advice you've received?
Follow your passion and success will follow you. What's the best advice you got?
Never stop learning and always stay curious. What legacy do you want to leave?
I want to be remembered as someone who helped others pursue their creativity. What about you?
I want to inspire future generations to love learning. Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I hope to have my own successful studio and maybe living abroad. Where do you see yourself?
I see myself as a principal with a published book and a happy family. What country would you like to live in?
I'd love to live in Spain or Italy for a few years. Would you move abroad?
Maybe for a year or two to gain international teaching experience. What's your biggest dream?
To have my artwork displayed in galleries around the world. What's your biggest dream?
To create an innovative school that transforms education. If money wasn't an issue, what would you do?
I'd travel the world, create art, and support young artists. What would you do?
I'd build schools in underprivileged communities and write books. What makes you happiest?
Creating something beautiful and sharing it with others. What brings you joy?
Seeing my students succeed and grow confident. Thank you for this wonderful conversation.
Thank you too. It was great practicing English with you. Let's talk again soon.
Definitely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.